How to upload PDF to Gemini. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload a PDF to Gemini. For that, you will need to open the web browser and go to the official website of Gemini, which is gemini.google.com. Or you may also open the official application of Gemini. Here I have already downloaded the application, so I'm going to open it. Simply open the application and then ensure you are logged in to your Google account. If not, log in with your Google account. Now once you are logged in, you will land on this chat interface. Here at the bottom left, you will be able to locate the plus button. Simply tap on it and then a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to select the files option. Simply tap on the files and then select a PDF file from your device. Once you have located the file, simply tap on the PDF and then you will return back to this page. Here you will need to wait until it is prepared to upload. You will also need to add a prompt such as summarize this document in a quotation mark. Once after entering this prompt, now tap on the airplane-like icon at the right side in order to submit or upload it. Now it will start processing your request and you will be able to see the answer based on your questions on this platform. You may also ask additional questions based on your preference and the content in this PDF. Also note that you can upload up to 10 files at a time, with each file not exceeding 100 MB. Also ensure that your PDF is in a supported format as outlined by Gemini's guidelines. Also, the uploaded files are stored temporarily and may expire after a certain period. So by following these steps, you should be able to upload PDF in Gemini. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.